Example of gene therapy is first option production of injectable hepatitis B vaccine. Second is production of vaccine in food crop like potatoes which can be eaten. Third is introduction of gene from adenosine deaminase in persons suffering from severe combined immunodeficiency, in which short form known as SCID. And fourth is production of test tube babies by artificial insemination and implantation of fertilized egg. Gene therapy is a method of correction of genetic defect by the delivery of normal gene to replace the fault gene. So correct answer is C. Cambium is derived from first option primary meristem, second is secondary meristem, and third is intercalary meristem. Fourth is apical meristem. Root cambium is derived from secondary meristem. So correct answer is B. The following organism is used in production of beverages. First option Penicillium notatum, second Saccharomyces cerevisiae, third is Aspergillus niger, and fourth is Clostridium botulicum. Saccharomyces cerevisiae common name is yeast, which are used in the production of beverages. So correct answer is B. Antibiotic has no effect on viruses because first option viruses show metabolism of their own. Second is viruses are too small in size for antibiotic to act upon them. Third is viruses show no metabolism of their own. Fourth is viruses produce a thick covering and insist themselves as endospores. And the antibiotic has no effect on viruses because viruses show no metabolism of their own. So correct answer is C. Which of the following play a role in indigenous system of medicine? First option plant breeding, second fisheries, third is apiculture, and fourth is moat. Apiculture means beekeeping. So beekeeping is used in medicine purpose. So correct answer is C. Respiration is carried out by first option ribosome, second is mitochondria, and third is chloroplast, fourth is Golgi body. Cell respiration is carried out by mitochondria. So correct answer is B. A mule is produced by interspecific hybridization between first option Hisardian and Merino ram, second is male donkey and female horse, third is female donkey and male horse, fourth is male donkey and female and mule horse. A mule is produced by interspecific hybridization in between by crossing of male donkey and female horse. So correct answer is B. Methanogenic bacteria are not found in first option rumen of cattle, second gobar gas plant, and third is bottom of waterlogged paddy field, and fourth is activated sludge. Methanogenic bacteria are not found in activated sludge. So correct answer is D. Term apiculture refers to first option tissue culture, second is pisciculture, and third is beekeeping, fourth is animal keeping. The term apiculture refers to beekeeping. So correct answer is C. Which of the following animal urinary bladder is absent? First option frog, and second is crow, third is snake, and fourth is camel. Crow is a member of the apes family, in which all the birds are included. In birds, the urinary bladder is absent due to the adaptation in order to make their body a light for flight purpose. So correct answer is B. Cyst present in nostoc is specialized for first option fragmentation, second nitrogen fixation, third is symbiotic relation, and fourth is food storage. Heterocyst is a special cell which help in nitrogen fixation. So correct answer is B. Breeding carried out between animals of different breed is called first option outcrossing, and second is crossbreeding, third is both A and B, and fourth is inbreeding. Crossbreeding method in which superior male of one breed are mated with the superior female of another breed. So correct answer is B. And the pollen tube first arrives in first option egg, second is an antipodal cell, third is synergid, and fourth is central cell. In flowering plant, the pollen tube first arrives in synergid. So correct answer is C. Plant cell without cell wall called first option proplast, second is protoplast, third is nucleoplast, and fourth is explant. A plant cell without cell wall is known as protoplast. So correct answer is B. And called clock of aging that gradually reduce the degenerate in aging is first option thyroid, second is thymus, and third is parathyroid, and fourth is pituitary. Thymus is a gland which is known as clock of aging because at the time of birth their size is large. By the aging their size will be reduced. So correct answer is B. Which of the following is an example of crossbreed? First option mule, second is Hilsa, third is Hisardale, and fourth is Sahiwal. Correct answer is Hisardale, which is crossed by Bicknell Eaves and Merino Ram. So correct answer is C. Following is an improved variety of chicken. First Jersey, second is Leghorn, third is Himgiri, and fourth is Kalyan Sona. Himgiri and Kalyan Sona is a variety of wheat and Jersey is a variety of cow. So correct answer is B. Select the correct option showing the life cycle of Plasmodium. Plasmodium can cause the malaria disease. First option is sporozoid present in human, RBC, liver cell, gametocyte in blood, blood meal, bite the female mosquito, multiply mosquito, then sporozoid present in mosquito. Second option is sporozoid in human, liver cell, RBC, gametocyte in blood, blood meal, bite the female mosquito, multiply mosquito, sporozoid in mosquito. Third option gametocyte mosquito, bite, gametocyte in human, RBC, multiply, and sporozoid blood meal in human, bite the sporozoid female mosquito, multiply in mosquito, gametocyte present in mosquito. Then fourth option is sporozoid in human, liver cell, gametocyte in blood, blood meal, bite by the female mosquito, then multiply into mosquito, sporozoid present in mosquito. Correct sequence of Plasmodium is B. So correct answer is B. Adrenal gland are characteristic feature of first option jejunum of small intestine, second is ileum, and third is duodenum, and fourth is fundic region of stomach. Bernal gland is a characteristic feature of duodenum. So correct answer is C. Desert grasses often curl their leaf to minimize water loss due to presence of first option is spine, second is palistrate parenchyma, third is bundle stage cell, and fourth is bulliform cell. In grasses, bulliform cell, that is large, empty, and colorless cell, which make the leaf and curls and to minimize the water losses. So correct answer is D. Artificial insemination involve first option super ovulation, second is semen collection, and third is egg collection, and fourth is embryo collection. Artificial insemination involve two semen collection. So correct answer is B. It is not a common feature in Periplaneta and scorpion. First option is excretory organ or malpighian tubule, second is no appendix in abdomen, third is respiratory organ or trachea, and fourth is both are mostly terrestrial arthropods. Periplaneta have trachea for respiratory organ, and scorpion have book lung which help in excretion. So correct answer is C. Chemical compound whose chemical structure is given below is obtained from which of plant? This is a chemical structure. First option Papaver somniferum, second is Erythroxylum coca, third is Elytropa belladonna, and fourth is Cannabis sativa. This given structure is a diagram of morphine which is extracted from latex of poppy plant. Poppy plant biological name is Papaver somniferum. So correct answer is A. The purpose of biological treatment of wastewater is to: first option, reduce BOD, second, increase BOD, third is reduce sedimentation, and fourth is increase sedimentation. BOD means biological oxygen demand. So correct answer is A. Bacillus thuringiensis is used to control: first option, bacterial pathogen, second, fungal pathogen, third is nematode, and fourth is insect pest. Bacillus thuringiensis are used to control the insect pest in the plants. So correct answer is D. In breeding, depression is related to: first option, increased fertility and productivity, second, increasing milk production, third, reduced fertility and productivity, and fourth is reduce the milk production. In breeding depression, reduce the fertility and production. So correct answer is C. The following disease is caused by viruses: first option, tobacco mosaic, third and second is late blight of potato, third is turnip mosaic, and fourth is both A and C. Tobacco mosaic and turnip mosaic is caused by virus, and late blight of potato is caused by bacteria. So correct answer is D. Which of the following bacteria is present in the rumen of cattle? First option, Azotobacter, second is Rhizobium, third is Methanobacterium, and fourth is Azospirillum. Methanobacteria is present in the rumen of cattle, which can break down the cellulose material. So correct answer is C. Statin used for lowering blood cholesterol level are extracted from: first option, algae, second, bacteria, third is viruses, and fourth is yeast. Statin are produced from Monoscus purpurans. Which belong to yeast. So correct answer is D. First clinical gene therapy was given for treating: first option, diabetes mellitus, second, chickenpox, third is ruminant arthritis, and fourth is adenosine deaminase deficiency. Gene therapy mean to correct the defect gene, which was given for the treating of adenosine deaminase. So correct answer is D. Macula lutea and corpus luteum are related. First option, contribute in maintain pregnancy, second is both are a source of hormone, third is both are categorized by their yellow color, and fourth is both are found in human ovaries. Macula lutea is yellow spot present in our eye, and corpus luteum is yellow pigment which secrete progesterone hormone. So their characteristic feature is both have yellow color. So correct answer is C. The following organism is used in production of beverages: first option, Penicillium notatum, second, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, third is Aspergillus niger, and fourth is Clostridium botulicum. Saccharomyces cerevisiae common name is yeast, which are used in the production of beverages. So correct answer is B. Which of the following is a bird flu virus? First option, H5N1, second, Haemophilus influenza, third, HIV, fourth is rhinovirus. Haemophilus influenza cause the pneumonia disease, HIV cause the AIDS, and rhinovirus cause the common cold. So correct answer is A. The following is correctly matched. First option, sericulture fish, and second is aquaculture mosquito, third is apiculture honeybee, fourth is pisciculture silk moth. Sericulture is the cultivation of silk moth. Aquaculture is a cultivation of aquatic animals, Pisciculture is the cultivation of fishes. So correct answer is C. Protein can be obtained from first option bacteria, second algae, third is fungi, and fourth is all of these. These all are the way by which single cell protein can be obtained. So correct answer is D. Small projection present on the surface of pineapple fruit represent first option persistent style, second is persistent stamen, and third is persistent calyx, fourth is persistent bracket. The small portion present on the surface of pineapple fruit represent the persistence bracket. So correct answer is D. Fruit maintain flavor and taste for longer period due to first option non-availability of O2, second the presence of excess CO2, third the presence of excess humidity, and fourth is slower rate of respiration. Refrigerated fruit maintain the flavor and taste for longer period of time due to slower rate of respiration. If low the temperature, the respiration rate of fruit is also minimized. So correct answer is D. Which of the following plant growth hormones increase the yield of sugar by increasing the length of stem in sugarcane? First option cytokinin, second is ethylene, and third is gibberellic acid, and fourth is auxin. Gibberellic acid is also known as weak acidic plant growth regulator. Which increase the yield of sugar by increasing the length of stem in the sugarcane. So correct answer is C. Correct hormonal sequence in the case of menstruation as first option estrogen FSH progesterone, second is estrogen progesterone FSH, and third is FSH progesterone estrogen, fourth is FSH estrogen and progesterone. The correct sequence of hormonal in the case of menstruation is FSH, estrogen and progesterone. So correct answer is D. An intestinal parasite which causes the blockage of intestinal passage and whose eggs are excreted along with the feces of infected person is first option Wucheria brandykopte, second Ascaris, third is Epidermophyton, fourth is Microspora. Wucheria brandykopte cause the elephantitis disease, and Epidermophyton and Microsporum caused the ringworm. So correct answer is B. Muffler play an important role against first option noise pollution, second is radioactive pollution, and third is soil pollution, fourth is air pollution. Green muffler play an important role against the noise pollution. So correct answer is A. Which of these is a member of group of chemical whose chemical structure is given below? This is a chemical structure. First option is marijuana, second is hashish, and third is gaja, fourth is all of these. This is the structure of cannabinoid sativa in which marijuana, hashish and gaja will be belonged. So correct answer is D. Cranch anatomy, the bundle sheath cell have first option thin wall, many intercellular space and no chloroplast. Second is thick wall, no intercellular space and large number of chloroplast. Third is thin wall, no intercellular space and several chloroplast. Fourth is thick wall, many intercellular space and few chloroplast. Cranch anatomy means arrangement of cell. This cranch anatomy are seen in C4 plant, which have thick wall, no intercellular space and large number of chloroplast. So correct answer is B. A microbial biocontrol agent that can be used to control butterfly caterpillar is first option Trichoderma polysporum, second Bacillus thuringiensis, and third is Streptococcus, fourth is Mycorrhiza. Bacillus thuringiensis is used to control the butterfly caterpillar. So correct answer is B. ABA is involved with. ABA means abscisic acid, which is a type of plant hormone. First option shoot elongation, second is increased cell division, and third is dormancy of seed, Fourth is root elongation. ABA help in dormancy of seed. So correct answer is C. And Ratna are semi-dop variety of first option wheat, second rice, third is cowpea and fourth is mustard. Jaya and Ratna are semi-dop variety of rice which were developed in India. So correct answer is B. The modified equation for water potential is first option psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. Then second is psi W is equal to psi S minus psi P. And third is psi W is equal to psi S. And fourth is psi W is equal to psi P minus psi S. Correct equation of water potential is psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. Psi W is water potential and psi S is solute potential and psi P is pressure potential. So correct answer is A. The cavity of Dinocephalon is known as first option first ventricle, then second is second ventricle, third is third ventricle, fourth is fourth ventricle. Dinocephalon are situated in cerebral hemisphere and midbrain. The cavity of Dinocephalon is known as third ventricle. So correct answer is C. Adenosine deaminase, that is ADA deficiency, could be permanently cured if the gene isolated from bone marrow cell producing ADA is introduced into cell at first option early embryonic stage, second is late embryonic stage, third is early childhood, fourth is none of the above. When we introduce the ADA enzyme in the early embryonic stage, so this enzyme is permanently curable. So correct answer is A. The following human organ is called graveyard of RBC. First option gallbladder, second is kidney, third is spleen and fourth is liver. Spleen is known as graveyard of RBC. So correct answer is C. What is true of urea biosynthesis? First option uric acid is a starting point, second is urea is synthesized in lysosome, third is urea cycle enzyme are located inside mitochondria and fourth is urea is synthesized in kidney. Urea biosynthesis take place in mitochondria where urea cycle enzyme are located. So correct answer is C. Process of biogas production is first option aerobic process, second is anaerobic process, third is active process, fourth is passive process. Process of biogas production involved in anaerobic process. So correct answer is B. Gemuse formation is common mode of asexual reproduction in first option paramecium, second is hydra and third is sponge and fourth is yeast. Gemuse mean spore formation. Spore formation take place in sponge. So correct answer is C. Old age stiffness of joints is due to the first option hardening of bone, second is inefficiency of muscle, third is decrease in synovial fluid and fourth is enlargement of bone. Stiffness means hardness. In older age, stiffness of joint is due to the decrease in synovial fluid. Synovial fluid help in lubrication of joints. So correct answer is C. There is increase in blood urea when there is insufficient filtration in first option loop of Henle, second is distal tubule and third is Roman capsule, fourth is collecting duct. Insufficient filtration will increase the blood urea level because the quality of urea produced by liver could be not filtered through the Bowman capsule. So correct answer is C. Use of honeybee is first option to help in pollination, second production of bee wax, third production of honey and fourth is all of these. These all are the uses of honeybee. So correct answer is D. Disease chikungunya is transmitted by first option housefly, second Aedes mosquito, third cockroach, fourth female Anopheles mosquito. Chikungunya is disease which caused by chikungunya virus. and this disease is transmitted by Aedes mosquito. So correct answer is B. Leg hemoglobin help in first option nitrogen fixation, second is protecting nitrogenase from O2, third is destroy bacteria, and fourth is transport of food in plant. Leg hemoglobin is pinkish in color, which is present in root nodules, which protecting the nitrogenase from O2. So correct answer is B. One of the following is essential for photolysis of water. Photolysis means breakdown of water. First option manganese, second is zinc, and third is copper, fourth is boron. Manganese help in photolysis of water. So correct answer is A. Pancreatitis, a chronic inflammation that result in gross deformities, is caused by first option Ascaris, second E. coli, third Wucheria, and fourth is Trichophyton. Ascaris cause the ascariasis. E. coli act as a vector, and Trichophyton cause the ringworm. So correct answer is C. The brain capacity of Homo erectus was about first option 650 cc. Cc is cranial capacity. Second option 900 cc, third 1500 cc, fourth is 1400 cc. The brain capacity of Homo erectus is about 900 cc. So correct answer is B. Gambusia is a fish which is being introduced into the ponds in order to check the vector-borne disease such as first option dengue, second malaria, third chikungunya, and fourth is all of these. Gambusia feed on the larva of mosquito that live in water. Mosquito is a vector for all three diseases. So correct answer is D. Use of vaccine and immunization program have control which of the following infectious disease? First option polio and tetanus, second diphtheria and pneumonia, third is cancer and AIDS, fourth both A and B. Cancer and AIDS are not based on vaccine and immunization. Polio and tetanus, diphtheria and pneumonia are based on the program of vaccine and immunization. So correct answer is D. Which of the following pair contain an infectious and non-infectious disease respectively? First option typhoid and AIDS, second AIDS and cancer, third pneumonia and malaria, fourth cancer and malaria. Infectious disease is a disease which can be transferred from one person to another. Non-infectious disease is a disease which can not be transferred from one person to another. Infectious disease is AIDS and non-infectious disease is cancer. So correct answer is B. An antibody consists of first option 2 light peptide chain and 2 heavy peptide chain. Second 2 light peptide chain and 1 heavy peptide chain. Third is 1 light peptide chain and 1 heavy peptide chain. Fourth 1 light peptide chain and 2 heavy peptide chain. An antibody consists of 2 light peptide chain and 2 heavy peptide chain. So correct answer is A. Humoral immunity is associated with first option T cell, second B cell, third macrophage, and fourth is both A and B. Humoral immunity consists of antibodies that circulate in the blood and lymph. B lymphocyte produce the antibodies that regulate the humoral immunity. So correct answer is B. Which of the following is affected by the infection of Wucheria brachypti? First option lymphatic vessel, second respiratory system, third nervous system, and fourth is blood circulation. In Wucheria brachypti, lymphatic vessel of the lower limb will be affected. So correct answer is A. Vaccine against polioviruses are example of first option autoimmunization, second passive immunization, third is active immunization, and fourth is simple immunization. Vaccine against poliovirus are the example of active immunization. So correct answer is C. Cocaine is commonly called as first option is SMAP, second is coke, and third is crack, and fourth is both B and C. Smack is common name of heroin. Coke and crack are common name of cocaine. So correct answer is D. Which one of the following disease cannot be cured by taking antibiotic? First option plague, second amoebiasis, third leprosy, and fourth is whooping cough. Antibiotics are used to treat bacterial disease. Amoebiasis is a protozoan disease. It cannot be cured by taking an antibiotic. So correct answer is B. Hepatitis B vaccine is produced from first option inactivated viruses, second is yeast, third is Haemophilus influenza, and fourth is Salmonella typhi. Hepatitis B vaccine is produced from transgenic yeast by the help of recombinant DNA technology. So correct answer is B. Compound is formed by acetylation of morphine. First option heroin, second is cocaine, third is tobacco, and fourth is marijuana. It is obtained from acetylation of morphine, which is extracted from latex of poppy plant. So correct answer is A. Multivalent equilibrium is known to be affected by gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, and first option evolution, second limiting factor, and third selection, fourth is natural selection. There are 5 factors that affect the Hardy-Weinberg principle. These are mutation, gene flow, genetic drift, genetic recombination, and natural selection. So correct answer is D. Most abundant antibody produced against the allergen is first option IgE, second IgA, third IgG, and fourth is IgM. The most abundant antibody produced against the allergen is IgE type. So correct answer is A. An autoimmune disease is first option SCID, and second is ruminant arthritis, third is Myasthenia gravis, fourth is both B and C. Autoimmune disease is a disease in which our cell damage their own cell. So correct answer is ruminant arthritis and Myasthenia gravis. So correct answer is D. Which of the following represent correct order of evolution? First option amoeba, Leucosolenia, and Hydra, Ascaris. Second option Leucosolenia, Hydra, amoeba, Ascaris. Third Ascaris, amoeba, Leucosolenia, Hydra, and fourth is none of these. Correct order of evolution is amoeba, Leucosolenia, Hydra, and Ascaris. So correct answer is A. Antibodies are secreted by first option T lymphocyte, second B lymphocyte, and third is both A and B. Fourth is natural killer cell. Antibodies are secreted by B lymphocyte. So correct answer is B. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer from code given below. This is a column first and this is a column second. These all are the option. Sporozoite is a infectious form. This is a correct. Filariasis is a also known as Wucheria. So B is third. Typhoid is confirmed by the Vidal test, and chikungunya is caused by the Aedes mosquito. So correct answer is D. Amoebic dysentery, that is amoebiasis, is caused by first option Entamoeba histolytica, second E. coli, third Streptococcus pneumonia, fourth is Trichophyton. Amoebiasis is caused by Entamoeba histolytica. So correct answer is A. Pancreatitis, a chronic inflammation that result in gross deformities, is caused by first option Ascaris, second E. coli, third Wucheria, and fourth is Trichophyton. Ascaris cause the ascariasis, E. coli act as a vector, and Trichophyton cause the ringworm. So correct answer is C. Which of the following disease is caused by the bite of female mosquito vector? First option filariasis, second amoebiasis, third is typhoid, and fourth is pneumonia. Filariasis is a disease which is transferred by the female Culex mosquito. So correct answer is A. Hepatitis B is transmitted through First option is sneezing, second female anaphylaxis, third is coughing, fourth is blood transfusion. Hepatitis B is transmitted through the blood transfusion. So correct answer is D. Person suffering from leukemia has first option tumor in adipose tissue, second increased number of plasma cell, third increased number of melanocyte, fourth increased number of WBC. In leukemia, the number of WBC will be increased. So correct answer is D. Chemical carcinogen present in tobacco smoke is responsible for first option is skin cancer, second is pancreatic cancer, third stomach cancer, and fourth is lung cancer. A chemical present in tobacco smoke is responsible for lung cancer. So correct answer is D. Typhoid fever in human being is caused by first option Plasmodium vivax, second Trichophyton, third Salmonella typhi, and fourth is rhinovirus. Typhoid fever in human being is caused by Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is a rod-like bacteria cause the typhoid. It is transmitted through contaminated food and water. Symptom of this disease is fever, abdominal pain, weakness. So correct answer is C. It is commonly called as first option coke, second crack, third is smack, and fourth is charas. Heroin is commonly known as smack. So correct answer is C. Charas and gaja are the drug which affect first option respiratory system, second cardiovascular system, and third is digestive system, and fourth is nervous system, generally taken by inhalation and the oral ingestion. Charas and gaja are known for their effect on cardiovascular system. So correct answer is B. During the life cycle of Plasmodium, sexual reproduction take place in which of the following host? First option human, second female Anopheles mosquito, third male Anopheles mosquito, fourth both A and B. Plasmodium parasite cause the malaria disease. So correct answer is B. A toxic substance responsible for the chill and high fever recurring every 3 to 4 days in malarial fever is first option interferon, second is hemojoin, third is uridine, and fourth is colostrum. Hemojoin is a toxic substance which is responsible for chill and high fever in malarial fever. So correct answer is B. Primary lymphocyte organ are first option is spleen and thymus, second is bone marrow and thymus, third is bone marrow and lymph node, fourth is thymus and malt. Correct answer is B.